Hi guys, welcome to part 9 of how to use clan review. So go to kingmusa.co.za/apps, hit enter button, then you logged in. So we're done with this, but now we're going to, here is the section where you're gonna see whoever gonna log in. So he might be from your organization or from another organization. This means these are all people gonna be using the system. You can find them here to see if they are online. So now we're going to the SMS section. You click here and you can see this SMS history will show you all the SMSs you sent before. Send SMSs, it's gonna send to the entire school, no, to based on the class. When you click there, you can select, maybe I want to send to grade R only. Click R, then you type in, please pay your fees, something sort of like that. Then you send. When you click send, then it will go. Then you can go back home and click on that. So if you go to this one, you can say single SMS. Here you can search for one person or two or three. Then maybe you want to send 6 people. You say, you click on this guy, you say okay, now I'm searching for Sean. Click Sean. Sean is here. We click on that. Whoever you click on, the number comes in here. Then you start saying hi, whatever, you type your message, then you hit enter. Then you go back here, you click on here, and you say send owing people. These are the people who haven't paid fees. So you can select one by one, say click here and click here. Those are 2. Then you type something, then you send to them. So you go back here again, then you click here, then you say send to all. Send to all, it means it doesn't select anything. You just send to the entire school or to the entire organization, reminding them about something. Maybe there's a trip, maybe there's a graduation day. You write here and you send them. So after that, we go to our section which says SMS history. If I click here, it's gonna show me all the SMSs we've been sending in the entire school or organization. So to say this, on this date I said hi, and I send it on 2018 April 11 on this time, at this time. Okay, this is the company code. This is our company code. Then this is, it was one SMS sent by Prince. You can see another SMS was sent by a different person who's shown. He said hi, please pay us on, this was 2017 on this date. Yes, so this list shows you the SMSs we sent previously. So you come here back and look at this. We're done with that. This section shows you how many people in each and every grade. In grade R we have 3, in 2 to 4 we have 1, in 0 to 2 we have 1. So this is gonna describe that for you. So here you can see the most sold product. Maybe you make much money in fees, and here we make much money, some money in what, in swimming. Guys, thanks for watching. That was our part 9. See you in part 10. Please don't forget to subscribe, and you can comment or ask us anything you feel like you're not okay with or you would like to know about the system. But we're gonna explain the entire system, how it works in series. So thanks for watching, guys. See you in part 10.